Hey guys, welcome back. I'm in my bathroom and I'm going to show you a skincare routine. Now I only do my skincare, the majority of it at night. In the morning I'll just take a fragrance-free baby wipe my face off from all the products that were on from the night before. And then I'll just put a sunscreen on. So that's what I do in the morning, but this is what I am doing tonight. It's my full skincare routine. So for taking makeup off, I generally use a cleansing balm or an oil, but I'm loving the Lom Cleanser. This is really nice. It takes all the makeup off, so I'm going to be using that. I get a good amount and I just rub it between my fingers. So I usually do like a two-step cleanser. I will also go in with a cleansing cream after I rinse this one off. So once all that's been worked in, I'll just go and rinse it now over the sink. I'll splash my face with water. And I usually use lukewarm water for this. Okay, so I've just rinsed all that off and I'm going to dry my face because I'm going to use a cream cleanser, and I like to use cream cleansers on dry skin. So I have two cleansers that I love. I love the Clinique Extra Mild Gentle Cleansing Milk, and I also love this one. I'm going to use this one tonight. It's the Mer Cleansing Lotion. And it does have fragrance in it, but it gets washed off, so I'm not really bothered by the fragrance. And I put a few pumps, and then I go in to wipe out all that cleanser, and if there's anything that I missed. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse that off now with some lukewarm water. I never ever use a cleansing foam on my skin. It's always a balm, an oil and a cream, but I never use foam because it's too dry on my skin. So my next step now, while my face is clean and dry, I'm going to go in with the Somerville. This is the Retinol Vita C Power Serum, and it's the retinol and vitamin C mixed into it together. So, but before I do this, I'm gonna, because you're not supposed to put this around your eyes, and sometimes I can accidentally put it around my eyes and it scares me. So what I'm gonna do is put this on first around my eyes, and it's the Drunk Elephant B-Hydra, and it's the it's going to add moisture and it's going to protect my eye from the retinol. I just do a tiny little pump, and I always go on my eyelid and in here because I can get a little dehydrated. So this is a hyaluronic acid, and you got to lock in your hyaluronic acids with a moisturizer. So I'm going to use a moisturizer. I'm going to use the Lala Retro Whipped Cream from Drunk Elephant, and I'm almost out of it. I just take a tiny bit. And just tap it around my eyes. Guys, you really don't need a specific eye cream. This is all you need just to moisturize around your eyes. This has got enough stuff in it to keep it replenished. So now I've got my eyes protected. I'm going to go in with the retinol and vitamin C. I just use 1 and a bit of a pump. I rub it between my hands and I pat it on. I'm going to go with the hyaluronic acid again and just put the remaining all around my face. So before I put my moisturizer on, I love oils, so I'm going to use this oil. I keep it in the box because I don't want the ingredients to spoil. So this is the Lom, it's called Radiance Face Oil. This has cannabis oil in it as the main ingredient, so I really, really love this. There's a tiny bit of fragrance, but it's not strong, and it's pretty far down the ingredients list. I warm it up between my hands and then I just pat it in. So I'm going to go in with the Lala Retro Whipped Cream to seal it all in. Okay, so my favorite part, and this is the lip balm part. I just got this product recently. It's the Tatcha, the Kissu lip mask, and it's really nice. It's very, very hydrating. It's like a jelly, and I really feel like it hydrates. It does come with a little spatula, so I usually just take a little bit. Pat it in. So there it is, guys. That completes my skincare routine. One thing I usually apply, which I forgot to mention, and I did want to use this tonight, it's the Clinique 1.0. This just lightly exfoliates the skin, so I put this on after cleansing with a cotton pad, and I just wipe it on, and then I'll go in with my serums and oils and moisturizers. So I usually use the Peter Thomas Roth glycolic acid swabs. It's the 20% glycolic acid, and I just used that last night, so I'm not going to go in with this tonight because my skin will be overstripped and I don't want that. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to write me a comment, and I will speak to you later. Bye.